Hello everyone, this is Sensuous One and welcome to my last project for the Pastelloween Collab with Scrappassion01. And I'm going to get right into it because by now you guys already know the routine. All the links for the participants are going to be in the description box below. And here we go. So with my last project, I decided to make a mini album. And this one's made, I used the envelopes and cards. Since I had a bunch of them, I figured I'd, shop my stash and find something to create. So I created this book. I did use chipboard for the front and the back and the spine. I kept it really simple and clean. Put Pastelloween on top with a banner, some little ghosts and bats. On the bottom here is a die cut, a little spider web, and there was two of them, so I kind of layered them. And this here is a resin spider that I made. Put some little glitter in his little butt. And then, of course, my little ghouls. And I decided to do these in like black and white theme, like how a black and white portrait looks. So I colored those with Copic markers. Put the little googly eyes. And I used this ombre paper on the background, on the spine as well, on the back. I left it really clean and simple. My little stamp here. And I want to leave it this way because in case the person who wins this, they want to, add their own little touches to it, they can, So there it is. So we'll go ahead and start with the first page. And I put spider webs throughout. And I left, like I said, the page is really simple, kind of clean design because you got to think about it. You're going to have a picture there. So I just want something to peek out from behind the pictures once you put them in. All right. So this flap here folds out. And then we have this page here. I'm trying to remember as I go what I did. This one folds out this way. And all the ones you see here with the little pumpkin, they have there's a tag that you can put photos on or you can journal on those as well. This page here has just some pockets and these pull out. All four of these pull out. Let's put some little pumpkins down there. I love these little, those things here. They're so sparkly. And I have some more on this side as well. Alright, so the next page looks like this. This little flap comes down. There's a magnet in there. And this is a little tag as well. It's a little side pocket with a little pull out. Another page with the little candy corns down there, spider web. And then this page. Another pull out, of course. Some more beautiful spider webs. Oops. I'm trying to keep it in frame, but I'll do the best I can. Alright, so then you have this little another flap on top of this page. And this one folds out again. So you get 4 spots on this one. 2 on the inside, here, and here. Right, and then you have this page. I'll pull out more candy corns. Another page. I decided to put another one of the little ghouls down there since I colored 2 of them. This page here with the little spiders entangled on the web. Of course, another pull out. A little spell bottle. A little photo mat here, and this side here folds out. Alright, and that's it. The back of my little stamp there. So that is it. My really simple and clean mini album. I like the way it came out. I want to embellish it more, but I was like, nah. I want someone that gets it to personalize it so it can be fit to what they're using it for. And that's one reason why I didn't put anything on the spine, in case they want to label their book or, you know, put their own dangle or something on there. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys have enjoyed my little project share. Excuse me, don't forget to check out all of the other participants below. This is the final project, so be sure you check out their giveaways. All of my videos have giveaways as well. So for my giveaway for this video as well, the only thing you have to do is like, comment, and make sure that you're subscribed and share the video. Once you've done all that, then you'll get, just let me know in the comments below, and you'll get a point for that. If you do a video response, linking all of my Pastelloween projects, then you'll get an additional 2 entries. And the prize for this this particular video is going to be, of course, this book and some other little Halloween goodies I had in there as well. So, I thank you all for watching, and you guys have a great day. Bye.